In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online on Cpagrip. So the first step is for you to put in cpagrip.com on your browser. On the register button right here, so just click on the register right here and it's going to now bring you to this page. So just going to wait for some few seconds. So it's gonna bring you right here where you get to create an account right here on Cpagrip. So what you want to do is put in your first name right here, then put in your last name, put in your company name. So if you don't have a company name, just put in your name as your company name. It's still the same thing. And put in your website right here. If you don't have a website, you can put a link to your social media account. It could be a link to your Facebook page or to your Instagram account. So you can just put in any of that kind right there. Then your street address, put in your street address. Then select your country type right here. Look for your country and select your country type. Then what you want to do next is to put in your city. Then you want to make sure you put in your state or region right here. Then you want to make sure you put in your zip/postal code right there. Then put in your right here. Then afterwards you can put in your Skype ID right there. Then where it actually says publisher type, click on it. You can actually select website/incentive right there. Put in your email address, then put in your password right there. Then confirm your password. Then also you need to choose a time zone right here. So select a time zone right there. So after selecting a time zone, they're gonna ask you where did you hear about us. So what you want to do is just put in random stuff like Google search right here. So just put in Google search right here. Then afterwards you can click on here which says I've read and understand the terms of service. Click on here which says I agree, I will not complete the offers myself. Click on here which says I agree, I will not use proxy/VPN or bot software to complete the leads. Then afterwards you can now click on here which says register now. So after signing into your account, what you want to do is come right here, click on where it says offer tools right here, then click on here which says my offers. Click on my offers right here, and you want to make sure you change the country right here. Just make sure you set it to United Kingdom, and it's going to load lots of offers in the United Kingdom. So you're going to see lots of offers in the United Kingdom. You can show right here. This one says enter for a £500 Morrison gift card right here. You can see this one says claim your Amazon gift card. Click on here which says claim your Amazon gift card now, and that's because I know for sure that there are lots of people that are actually interested in getting a free Amazon gift card. So I'm gonna click on this offer right now, and you can see that this offer is only available to people in the United Kingdom. So if anyone from the United Kingdom actually completes an offer using your link right here, you're actually gonna earn $1.71 right there, and they must actually be using an iOS device to complete the offer. So what you want to do is to click on copy link right here. So just copy this link, then open up a notepad. So you want to make sure you paste the offer link right here on a notepad. Then if you actually go to a tool like SimilarWeb, you're gonna see that the traffic coming from the platform where we're gonna be promoting this offer right here actually has 93% of people actually from the United Kingdom right here, which means it's actually a very good platform for we to promote our offers, and eventually we actually get to make money when anyone actually complete the offer. We're going to be getting paid $1.71 per conversion right here. So what you want to do is to head on to this website magicfreebiz.co.uk right here on your browser, then click on enter. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and you're going to see that there are lots of people that also are giving out free stuff right here, and lots of people actually come to this platform. So you can see right here from actually using SimilarWeb to access the traffic coming in. So you can see right here lots of people are coming from the United Kingdom right here to this platform right here. So what you want to do next after getting right here, because people can actually win free stuff right here, that's why they're actually coming from the United Kingdom right to actually complete or to actually get all this stuff right here. So what you want to do next is to come right here where it says found a freebie right here. So what you want to do is click on here which says let us know. So after clicking on let us know, it's gonna bring you to this page right here. Put in your email right here. So they're gonna ask you to actually provide a link to freebie. So what you want to go back, so what you want to do now is to go back to your Cpagrip account right here. Click on copy link right here. So once you actually click on copy link, then go back right here, then you actually paste the link right here. So they're gonna ask you, are you the owner or affiliated with the site? Then just select this option right here. So what you need to do now is to now put in a message right here. So you want to make sure you go, so you want to now go back to the offer that you're actually trying to promote. So what you want to do is you want to look at the offers then look at everything basically. Then as you can see right here, this is actually an Amazon gift card that we're trying to promote, and you can see right here they're actually gonna get £500 worth of Amazon gift card if they actually use our CPA offer links right here. So what you want to do is copy this stuff right here where it says claim your Amazon gift card right here. So just click on a copy. So you want to make sure you copy, then you go back right here to where it actually says message. So after, you must have input your name, put in your email right here, then put in the link to your CPA offer right here. Then you want to write a short message where it actually says, hello, I'm promoting a giveaway for anyone in the United Kingdom to claim £500 worth of Amazon gift card right here. So afterwards, you now click on it where it actually says send. So it's actually gonna now send right here. So